Hi children, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Here I am your Durga ma'am, your EVS teacher. Today in EVS subject, we are going to learn about birds. Yes, you are going to learn about birds and its names. Okay children? Children, we can see many birds in our surroundings. All the birds are having feathers, wings, legs and a beak. Yes. See here. Parrot. Parrot is in green color. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Eagle. Eagle will fly up very high in the sky. Yes. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Mostly pigeons are in grey color. Some of them are in white color also. Okay children? Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. We can see many crows in our surroundings. Yes. Crow. Yes, what is this? Hen. H-E-N. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Hen lays eggs. Ostrich, the tallest bird. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Next, kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. What is this bird? Kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Next, duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Duck will swim nicely in the water. Duck. Swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. Yes, what is this? It's a penguin. P-E-N-G-I-U-N. Penguin. P-E-N-G-I-U-N. Penguin. Yes, see here children. Crow, eagle, parrot, pigeon. These birds can fly. Okay. Next see here. Hen, ostrich and kiwi. These birds cannot fly. Duck, swan and penguin. These birds can swim in the water. Okay children? Kids, you are doing your classwork and homework regularly. Keep doing it. Dear parents, please train your kids at home. Thank you.